Ever enter a trade only to get stopped out immediately, then watch it go your direction without you? Your entries are the problem. You're guessing where to get in while institutions enter at exact volume levels where they know price will hold. Volume and price action dictate where the market moves. By understanding where institutional volume accumulated, we know exactly where the big money is positioned and where price will react. The issue is most volume indicators just show you bars at the bottom of your chart. They tell you when volume occurred, but not where, at which specific price levels. This leaves you guessing on entries, so that's why we at ChartNation created Volume Matrix Pro. Once loaded on your chart, you'll first notice the volume profile on the left side of the price. It's displayed as horizontal bars showing volume distribution at each price level. But here's what makes it unique. Every single bar is colored by delta. Green bars mean buyers dominated that price. Red bars mean seller controlled the action. This immediately tells you who won this battle at each level. Here, for example, we see a thick green bar in our profile where buyers stacked massive volume. When price comes back to this level, watch what happens. It bounces perfectly, acting as strong support. This is because institutional money already committed there. They're defending this level. The profile also highlights high volume nodes automatically with yellow diamonds. These HVNs marks your exact entry zones, the precise levels where the most trading occurred. For example, here, an HVN is placed at this support level. This is where we enter. Price comes down and bounces perfectly off it, giving us the perfect long entry with minimal drawdown. We're not guessing where to enter. We're placing orders where volume data confirms institutional interest. What's so unique about this indicator is the smart pivots. The pivots are identified using adaptive length based on ATR volatility. When volatility is high, only major reversals are marked. When volatility is low, more frequent swings are captured. This means the pivots adjust automatically to market conditions, so you never miss a key turning point. These pivots are then filtered by the volume profile. If a pivot point aligns with significant volume, we display it with the circle marker, and if it doesn't, it's hidden. This makes sense as we only want to know about the market turning points that had institutional volume behind them. These were the exact levels where big money stepped in, and therefore are the key entry points we need as traders. Here, for example, we have a pivot point low that forms right at a high volume node. This is your entry confirmation. Volume says institutions are stacked here. The pivot says reversal is happening now, and therefore we enter with confidence. Price comes down, the pivot confirms the reversal, and it bounces perfectly off this level, making us massive gains on that trade. Entry timing, entry zone, and entry confirmation all in one setup. By combining volume data with pivot confirmation in Confluence, it's a hugely powerful edge. The indicator also includes the point of control line, the price level with maximum volume. This acts as the market's center of gravity. Point of control line color itself based on delta. Green when buyers dominated at that level, red when sellers controlled it. When you enter below point of control, it becomes your target. When you enter above point of control, it acts as your support backup. Here, for example, we enter at an HVN below point of control, and price rallies directly to the point of control line for a perfect target hit. For ChartNation Pro and Ultimate users, you of course have our Volume Dynamics Pro, which does all the heavy lifting with the premium mirrored butterfly profile, gradient bias system, and advanced session anchoring. But back to our indicator here. For traders that want longer-term trading experience, the look-back bars can be increased as well as the bin resolution for a smoother profile. And for scalpers or short-term traders, these values can of course be decreased as needed. The adaptive pivot length also adjusts automatically, but you can override it if you prefer a fixed length. Combining volume analysis, delta coloring, smart pivots, and volume node detection into a single free indicator gives you a massive edge and cleans up your charts, allowing entries to show themselves clearly and effectively. No more getting stopped out on bad entries. No more guessing where to get in. Just institutional grade volume intelligence showing you exactly where to enter, when to enter, and where to target. So if you want to use this indicator 100% free, search for Volume Matrix Pro by ChartNation on TradingView and add it to your chart. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more institutional grade content like this, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And definitely join our Discord community. We drop live market analysis daily, sharing real trade setups using these exact indicators. And you get direct access to our trading team. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced trader, the community is there to help you master volume-based trading. Link in the description below.